Listen. Look at the camera. Ow. Ow. Oh, I see. You see the cord to the camera. Alright, you can stand here and play with the cord. Okay, you're messing up the computer here big time. You're determined to have that cord, aren't you? Alright.